The K5 is here. The K5 is here. I gotta tell everybody.
Monday Madness.
There we go. The K5 is here. The K5 is here. That's better. The K5 is here. The K5. It's here. The K5 is here. All right, with my magical powers, I'm going to turn on the K5 now. Come on, man, turn it on. Start the car. Magic. See? Magic. And now, Brett's going to tell you 3 really quick facts you need to know about this K5. Here we go.
All right, so let's talk some quick facts about the K5. We had a quick look at it outside, but tomorrow's video is going to be all about the K5, doing a walk around. So let's give you a sneak peek at some features. The first one for the performance people is the engines. No matter what trim level you get, you're getting a turbocharged engine, either a 2-liter or a 2.5-liter turbo, and up to almost 300 horsepower. The second thing is the all-wheel drive system. This is one of Kia's first all-wheel drive sedans. Big up for Kia. And number 3 is the safety. All new superstructure, excellent high-strength steel that reinforces the whole body, and you're surrounded by state-of-the-art airbags and sensors and stuff, but more to come on that tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in to Monday Madness. We had a quick sneak peek at the K5. Again, tomorrow is the walk around of the K5, but thank you for tuning in today to have a sneak peek. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed, like our page, and feel free to comment on any of the videos you see if you want more or anything different.
Fredericton Kia. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out all of our social media, and visit our website at frederictonkia.com.